Here's where you can go to find and turn on autocorrect, and this is for the Gboard keyboard. So let's just say you're about to start typing and then your Gboard keyboard pops up like this here. You want to now tap on this little icon here, the settings one, and as you do this, you will go to where it says text correction right here. And as you enter here, you want to go down the list and look for auto corrections, this right here. So go ahead and turn it on. And simply what this does is, for example, if you are typing a word right now at the moment, so I'm going to go ahead and type in the word correct. And you can see that if I don't add that R, that extra R that's supposed to be there, you're going to see that it's going to show me some suggestions. And whatever appears in the middle, when I tap on the space bar here, it will automatically use that middle word suggestion and correct that word if it detects that you spelt it wrong. And that's how it works. So like and sub.